Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a kind of an update, basically showing you my 3D printed HMS Beyblades from Benchblade. And Benchblade has a store link in the description below for some of these, and yeah. He is, for one of them, he will be doing some more of it in a few months because he's working on engine gear system, heavy metal, all metal HMS system right now. So yeah, but before that, if you can't tell, this is what I currently am read. Wait, no, yeah. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah, I read up to volume 1 through 16, and I'm on starting at volume 19, and that's partial way through the Duelist Kingdom, or I mean the Arm Blanking is my favorite arc of the series, Battle City Tournament. So yeah. And he's actually facing another Dark Magician user, so yeah. And this is kind of why I haven't been uploading too much videos lately, because I've been reading this, doing some manga stuff. I'm collecting all of Ruby, yeah. I've been collecting a lot of manga lately, so that's why I've been getting into those, but yeah. And also, of course, I grew up with Classic. From 2002 to 2005, I competed in tournaments, but yeah. I'm building two decks, and actually technically two anime decks, one classic competitive deck, and maybe I probably will do the new meta 2022-2023 meta decks, even though I have no fucking clue what the hell they're doing with that shit. Because of course I stopped doing competitive back in 2005, so goddamn, I'm aging myself. Fuck. Yeah, in 2005, I was 8 years old, so it's been 18 years since I've competed in Beyblade and in Yu-Gi-Oh! So that's why I kind of added this in, because Yu-Gi-Oh! And Beyblade, I competed at Toys R Us, my local Toys R Us, so yeah. That's kind of why I'm mentioning it, and also Yu-Gi-Oh! Is classic, and once I get done with this, there's 38 volumes in this. I'm probably going to buy GX. I stopped watching the anime at GX, like the first 2 episodes of GX, Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. So yeah. So this is one anime deck, same character Yu-Gi-Moto, but yeah, I can't tell with these 2 cards. And this fucking thing was annoying as shit to deal with, battling it. But yeah, here's the next one I'm currently working on. I have 15 cards. I have 10 cards coming in. So it's Sky for the Sky Dragon. This is a reprint. Bought the boosters for both these. Obelisk Tormentor classic artwork. And then here's one. Yes, I have 2. I pulled 2. So Monster Reborn. So yeah, 2 of those. But Yugi uses 2 1. Yeah. Yeah, let's go to the most annoying cards. Swords of Riven Light. Probably going to run 3 in the competitive deck. Run 3 of these 2, and probably Mirror Force 3. Yeah, 3 of these. probably 3 mind control for the deck. I'm probably going to be a competitive classic deck. So let's get into what you guys have been wanting to do, because yeah. And I'm doing this, talking about Yu-Gi-Oh! Now because, at least at the start, so hopefully it will contradict YouTube making it as for kids. If it doesn't work, check out my community tab, because I'll be posting before this video goes up, an hour before this video goes up. I'll be posting on community tab. Let me know, so you can, if you can't comment on this video, then you can comment on that video. But yeah, let's get into the actual base. So the first one I bought, Dragoon MS. Really fun to use. I use this one a bit more. God damn it, my hair is everywhere. Fuck, that's the one bad thing about having long hair. It gets everywhere. Zeus MS. What I need to use it a lot more, because it's fun. This is in order of when I got them. Geiger MS. This piece broke, so yeah, had to fix it. Actually, the bit chip, yeah, that broke. But yeah, pretty cool. And, yeah, the other ones are random. So, yeah, oh god. Poseidon, or Perseus, whatever. God damn it. No, I need to put that back, but yeah. Hair everywhere. Venus. God damn it, I need to put that sticker back. Next is, okay. And I'll show you one first, Geiger MS. So yeah. And then version 2 of Apollon. If you know what happened to this one, I fixed it though. You can't tell right there, this piece broke off, but yeah. He does have a fully 3.0. I'm not sure if he has a 4.0 yet. Yeah, oh god, no. But yeah. And the sticker really popped off. Yay, back. But yeah. 2. Next is I forgot the name. But yeah, the sticker popped off. I have it over here. But yeah. Really cool design. I like the purple in this. And another one I forgot. Here something MS. Let me know in the comment section below which ones that you want to see battle each other. I'm probably gonna battle this guy a bit more, because I barely used this guy. Yeah, can't wait to use this one more. And the ones that you guys have been talking about, I'm going to show you my favorite. The sticker popped off, sadly. Is Bloody Devil MS. Really good. It actually won the tournament I did for the HMS. And the one that you guys have been asking for, actually I commented on one of your, I had one of you guys comment on one of my review videos on these guys. But yeah. This is the one he said, I messaged him and he said, he'll get, he's going to get them reprinted, soon. 2 to 3 months, I think it said. Okay, I had to look for it and look at that message. So yeah, he said he'll get one out in the next few months. So yeah, it's Shining God MS. Yeah, I need to use this guy a bit more. Cause yeah, it's pretty fun to use. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like that. And out of all my HMSs, which ones do you want to see battle each other? Because I will battle them. If you ask for a pollen, I'll be using the 3.0 and everything like that. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.